Hi everyone, this is Sarah. Welcome to Sarah's Garnish. I have seen the green goddess salad trending over social media. It's first shared by Baked by Melissa. It's a good idea about having like a cabbage salad that's healthier than a coleslaw. So it's a way to eat more spinach without ruining the colors of my smoothies. When I made it, it was so perfect. It was very delicious and even my husband liked it. So let's see how it's made. So the ingredients I used is a half head of a cabbage, 4 cucumbers, half cup of chopped parsley, 3 heads of green onions, 2 lemons, and I peeled off the zest to use as well. I truly enjoy the process of chopping and cutting the vegetables. I found it very therapeutic and very refreshing as well. This salad is very nutrient dense and comparable to many other salads over the market. It's rich in fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, iron, calcium. So it's very good if you want to have a healthier diet. Here comes the part that makes the salad the most interesting and epic, the dressing. For the dressing, I added 1.5 cups of spinach. I used 1 tablespoon of basil paste as I couldn't find like fresh basil in the grocery store I used to go. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard or any mustard you would like to have, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of walnuts. So mix it all together in the blender, and I'm a kind of person who loves to add the seasonings at the end while at the time of serving. So on the side I added at the time I ate it is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian spices mix, which can be found like ready-made in most of the grocery stores, and to make it up for the basil, and also to add to it some more of vibrance of color, I added the lemon zest, and it made it even more fresher and more delicious. If you like this recipe or it inspires you to do something new, please press the like button. If you have a better hack or a better advice to make it, please share it in the comments below. And if you tried, please share it also in the comments below. Let's share our experiences with this delicious salad. And I share new videos and new recipes every week. Please subscribe to not miss any of my videos. And thank you for watching, and see you next week.